So now I'll demonstrate to you how to measure the height of a tall object using a clinometer. So first, you place yourself at a distance away from the tall object. Then, measure the distance from the base of the object to the point where you're standing. Here, I'm going to measure the height of the flagpole. So first, you take the clinometer in your hand and locate the end of the object. Once you have located the end of the object through the straw, let the clinometer stay steady. Once it becomes steady, record the reading on the clinometer where the string touches the scale on the clinometer. So here I've got an angle of elevation of 45 degrees.
Now that we have recorded the angle of elevation of the flagpole, let us calculate the height of the flagpole. Now, to calculate the height of the entire flagpole, we first need to calculate the height of the flagpole above our eye level. So now, since I had placed myself 5 meters away from the foot of the flagpole, if we consider this distance to be small l, then L equals to 5 meters. Now to calculate the height of the object, that is the flagpole, above our eye level, we'll use the formula tan x equals to L upon h, where L is the distance between yourself and the flagpole and small h is the height of the flagpole. By taking h on the LHS and tan x on the RHS, we get h equals to L upon tan x. We already know that L equals to 5 meters and tan of 45 is nothing but 1. Therefore, by substituting these values in the equation, we get h equals to 5 meters upon 1, which is nothing but 5 meters. Now next, we move on to the entire height of the object. The height h of the object is now given by h equals to L upon tan x plus d. We have already calculated the value of L upon tan x, and since d is nothing but the height of your eyes from the ground, by substituting the values in this equation we get h equals to 5 plus 1.65, which equals to 6.65 meters. Thus, the height of the flagpole is 6.65 meters. I hope you all understood this activity.